everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to easily redeem code in Solo Leveling Arise. If you are looking to claim free rewards in Solo Leveling, then you can easily redeem codes within the game. Launch open Solo Leveling Arise game on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. From the main home screen of Solo Leveling, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top right corner. From the expanded menu that appears on the screen, tap on the gear button on the right corner at the bottom. Once you open up this options menu, go ahead and tap on accounts from the left-hand menu at the bottom. Now, look for redeem code button on the right corner and tap on it. You'll be taken to this redemption code text box where you need to enter your coupon number or your event code or your redemption code. Go ahead and write down your redemption code exactly as it appears and then click on the use button. If your credentials are correct or if your redemption code is correct, a message will appear showing the rewards you successfully claimed. So that is how you redeem a code in Solo Leveling Arise. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.